Yeah.
I know we get into knowledge building and the comprehension side of things, but I feel like writing doesn't get its time on the stage as much as it should. So there's not a lot of people talking about what it's like to shift from a writer's workshop model with the mini lessons and the independent writing and the conferring into what writing now looks like with a knowledge building curriculum. And honestly, our students have so much more to write about. Once we've stepped away from only reading and writing about realistic fiction or personal experiences and actually giving them dense topics to read and then turn around and write about, they have so much more to write. I mean, I've had a different first grade teacher shoot me an email and said, never in a million years when I signed up to teach that anywhere, right? Not just a KCK thing, but did I sign up to teach? Never in a million years did I expect that a first grade student would write such a detailed, informative paragraph about the pasteurization of milk in Louis Pasteur.